Okay guys, so today we are going to be freezing 2 dumplings, including the glitter dumpling. I'm gonna leave them in there for about an hour and then I will get back with y'all. Okay guys, it's been an hour, let's go see. Okay guys, they are definitely frozen. Let's start with the purple one. Oh my gosh, it's hard to, oh! Oh my gosh, it's definitely like slushy. No, it popped. It's so cold. Okay guys, so the outside is like so thick now and I think that's why it popped. But let's not pop my glitter dumpling, okay? I swear if this pops. Ooh. It is so satisfying though. Okay, I think my glitter. Oh no! It gave it a pimple as well. I really hope that goes down. Guys, don't freeze your dumplings. Don't freeze your glitter dumplings. Okay, well, I hope y'all enjoyed. Sacrifice my dumpling for this. Don't freeze your dumplings.